Welcome to our in-depth technical analysis of ONTF, listed on the NYSE. As of December 30, 2025, ONTF is trading at $8.03, marking a significant development in its recent price action. Over the past 3 months, the stock has shown notable movement, and today we'll break down the key technical indicators, price trends, and what they might mean for investors. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this analysis will help you understand the current momentum and potential future direction of ONTF. In the last trading session, ONTF closed at $8.03, just shy of its 52-week high of $8.04. This sharp uptick is particularly striking when compared to its 52-week low of $4.35. Such a move suggests a strong bullish sentiment and possibly signals a breakout. The recent surge is supported by a massive volume spike, with over 1.95 million shares traded on December 30, far above the average daily volume. This kind of price and volume action often attracts attention from both institutional and retail investors. Let's examine the moving averages, which are crucial for identifying trends. The short-term simple and exponential moving averages, such as the SMA 5 at 6.26 and EMA 5 at 6.56, are well below the current price, indicating a strong upward momentum. Even the longer-term averages, like the SMA 200 at 5.38 and EMA 200 at 5.64, are lagging far behind. This alignment of moving averages, where shorter-term averages are above longer-term ones, is a classic sign of a bullish trend and suggests that ONTF has entered a new phase of upward momentum. Volume is a key indicator of market interest and liquidity. ONTF's recent sessions have seen a dramatic increase in trading volume, with the latest daily volume at nearly 2 million shares. The relative volume stands at 9.37 and the dollar volume is over $15 million. Such high volume not only confirms the price move, but also suggests that the stock is attracting significant attention. High liquidity makes it easier for investors to enter and exit positions without causing major price swings. Bollinger Bands are a popular tool for measuring volatility. Currently, ONTF's upper band sits at 6.94, the middle at 5.98, and the lower at 5.01. The price is broken well above the upper band, indicating a volatility breakout. The Bollinger Band width is 0.323, and the BB position is at a remarkable 156.18, showing that the price is far above the typical range. This kind of breakout often signals a strong trend, but it can also mean the stock is temporarily overbought. Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. ONTF's RSI 14 is at 85.35, well above the typical overbought threshold of 70. This suggests that the stock may be overextended in the short term. However, strong trends can keep RSI elevated for extended periods. The RSI 21 and RSI 28 are also high, at 79.31 and 75.03 respectively, reinforcing the idea of strong upward momentum. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, is another key momentum indicator. ONTF's MACD value is 0.232, with the signal line at 0.111 and a histogram of 0.121. The MACD momentum is positive at 0.166, indicating that the bullish trend is supported by strong underlying momentum. This is further confirmed by the positive values in other momentum indicators like the PPO and TRIX. Stochastic Oscillator helps identify overbought and oversold conditions. For ONTF, the stock K14 is at 56.61, and stock D14 is at 38.31, which are moderate levels. However, the stock RSI-K is at 100, indicating extreme short-term overbought conditions. It suggests that while the broader trend is bullish, there could be a short-term pullback or consolidation as the market digests recent gain. Momentum indicators like Momentum 10 at 2.23 and Momentum 20 at 2.36 show that ONTF is experiencing strong upward price acceleration. The rate of change ROC14 is at 32.51, and the CMO14 is at 70.69, both supporting the bullish narrative. These readings indicate that buyers are in control and the stock is moving swiftly higher, often a sign of continued interest from market participants. ONTF's trend strength score is 1.86, and the trend quality index is a robust 165.45. These metrics suggest that not only is the trend strong, but it is also of high quality, meaning the price movement is consistent and supported by volume. The ADX14 at 25.06 further confirms a trending market, as values above 20 typically indicate a solid trend is in place. Key price levels are always important for traders. ONTF's current pivot point is at $8.01, with immediate resistance at $8.06 and support at $7.98. These levels can act as short-term barriers or floors for price movement. With the stock trading so close to resistance, a breakout above $8.06 could trigger further buying, while a drop below $7.98 might lead to a quick pullback. ONTF is currently sitting at 99.59% of its 52-week range, nearly at its highest point for the year. This is a strong indicator of bullish sentiment and suggests that the stock has significant momentum behind it. Investors often look for stocks near their 52-week highs as potential breakout candidates, and ONTF fits this profile perfectly at the moment. Volatility measures how much the price moves over a period. ONTF Volatility 30 is at 7.03, and True Volatility is 3.86, both indicating a period of heightened price swings. The ATR14 at 0.31 also supports this, showing that daily price ranges have expanded. High volatility can present both opportunities and risks, so it's important for traders to manage their positions carefully. Volume-based indicators like OBV on balance volume at 7,194,409 and the Chaikin oscillator at 381,991.31 show that buying pressure has been building. The money flow index MFI14 at 68.18 is approaching overbought territory, further confirming strong inflows. These volume oscillators help validate the price move and suggest that the rally is supported by real buying interest. Arun indicator is designed to identify trend changes. ONTF's Arun up is at 100, while Arun down is at 4, resulting in an Arun oscillator value of 42.86. This configuration is highly bullish, indicating that a new uptrend has been established and is likely to continue in the near term. Price acceleration measures how quickly the stock's price is changing. ONTF's price acceleration is at 2.41, a strong reading that aligns with the recent surge. This metric, combined with other momentum indicators, suggests that the current rally is not just a slow grind higher but a rapid move fueled by aggressive buying. Every trade involves risk and reward. ONTF's risk-reward ratio is 0.0061, which is quite low, suggesting that the potential reward currently outweighs the risk. However, with the stock in overbought territory and volatility elevated, it's important for traders to set stop losses and manage their risk appropriately. The overall technical score for ONTF is 75, which is considered strong. This score aggregates various indicators and reflects the overall technical health of the stock. A high technical score typically means that most indicators are aligned in the same direction, providing confidence to traders and investors. Looking back over the last 3 months, ONTF's price has steadily climbed from around $5 to over $8. There were periods of consolidation and minor pullbacks, but the overall trend has been upward. This historical context helps us understand the current momentum and why the stock is attracting so much attention now. Despite the strong uptrend, it's important to be aware of potential pullbacks. With many indicators in overbought territory, a short-term correction or sideways movement is possible as the market digests recent gains. Traders should watch for signs of weakening momentum or a drop below key support levels as early warning signals. Summary: ONTF has demonstrated a powerful technical breakout, supported by strong volume, bullish momentum, and positive trend indicators. While the stock is currently overbought and volatility is high, the overall technical picture remains favorable. Investors should remain vigilant, monitor key levels, and be prepared for both continued upside and potential short-term corrections. As always, sound risk management is essential when trading in such dynamic market conditions.